Menteri Ketenat ke Kot Kia ke Jela James K. Sangma haba krench ke lap tai khubor ulapan pa ke jinkermen bakin salah banye khuniu klam COVID-19 ha kan ke Jela badwa apan paru baka don ke jinkermen baka Jela kan kot ya ka shispa na ka shispa ka jingai tika ki nong song snong ke Jela ula angru baka jing ya trailang jong barok ki nong song snong kan wan raya ka jing job ke Jela persaya ka COVID-19.
I am still, optimistic that we will be able to achieve 100%, and that is really something that we must all strive. And I would like to appeal, even to the media, also to reach out to people reach out, because today when we celebrate National Press Day, we all know how powerful a medium media is, and. Yes, as a government, we are pushing so that we can achieve that target of 100%, and we hope that people do come forward. Yeah. When do we see Meghalaya recording zero cases? See, that is a question that really nobody can answer. There is a drive on the part of the government to reach out and convince those people who have not yet taken the vaccine, and we are still maintaining that appeal to the public at large that please come forward and get both your doses of the vaccine, and we are also making sure that if there are cases of infection which turn out to be of a serious nature, then we have enough beds and enough oxygen and enough medical response to take care of those. So to really look at having zero cases is something, yes, that we as leaders, we as government, we as a society would love to see a situation where cases are reduced to zero. But that is something that we all wish for. But that cannot be really said whether there will be zero cases or not.
So the Chief Minister...
yes, we are always trying to maintain that kind of vigil to make sure that people follow the norms and the protocols established by the government. It's yes, sometimes very unfortunate that there are large gatherings and the protocols are not followed. But I still would like to appeal to the public that let us not let our guard down. We can never say what the situation and how it will unfold, and we should always be vigilant and make sure that we follow those kind of protocols which have proven to slow down the process of the spread and to control the spread.
So when